There comes a time when life pushes you to the edge. When the mountain seems too steep. When every step forward feels like a battle. But here's the truth. Growth doesn't come from comfort. Motivation doesn't appear when it's easy. And determination, it's forged in fire. In the moments when quitting feels like the only option. But you choose to rise instead. You see, no one hands you greatness. No one gifts you strength. You build it. Brick by brick. Pain by pain. Setback by setback. And that's what makes it powerful. They counted you out. They said you weren't enough. That your dreams were too big. That you came from too little. But they didn't see the fire inside you. The quiet fight. The long nights. The hunger to become more. To defy the odds. Every no was fuel. Every failure, a foundation. Every scar, a reminder. You're still standing. Still moving. Still fighting. Growth is not loud. It's silent battles. Private tears. And the decision to try again, when nobody is watching. Don't wait for perfect. Start broken. Start afraid. Start uncertain. But start. Because motion beats excuses. Because showing up beats silence. Because the version of you that wins needs you to keep going. You may not be where you want to be, yet. But you are not who you used to be either. You've come too far to only come this far. This is your time, your test, your transformation. And when the dust settles, when they look back at your journey, they won't believe how you did it. But you will. Because you know what it took. Because you lived it. Because against all odds, you chose not to break. You chose to rise. And that is how legends are made.